Hey everyone, I'm Randy Lao of Autobot Offroad. We're here right now at our HQ Plus, and what we have here are two Dodge Challengers. Yung isa is about to be released, and this one is an ongoing project. We have already shown you this build before, and this is the final finished product. This is a Dodge Challenger with a Liberty Walk kit on it. I'll show you something. This kit comes with a genuine Liberty Walk Performance Certificate with serial number 02091, specific for Dodge Challenger. Maraming mga sticker na yan. It is because each pieces, like this one, each fender, meron siyang serial that matches here inside, the wing at the back, and the chin in front. How to install it properly para hindi magkamali, para makuha yung perfect fitting and the certificate, it's all here. Well, it is very obvious naman. When we go closely with the build itself, makikita nyo the edges of the kit, manipis, walang pati, and the body lines, lahat buhay na buhay. Hindi yan napapansin if you don't have an eye on it, pero yung makaramihan na mga marunong talaga sa kotse and it's really an enthusiast, they have sharp eyes sa mga details na yan. That's why we are very specific. Makikita nyo yung installation, tama lahat, and that's what you get when you get to build here at Autobot, because we want to provide you the best upgrades for your rig. Well, anyway, nagtabas na tayo sa mga fenders niyan to fit the wheels, and naglagay na rin tayo ng air suspension. We changed the suspension to air suspension. This can drop, this can go high, and what's more perfect with this rig, I have to be honest with you, I have a confession to make. Sabi ko, if I'm gonna have a muscle car, it will be a Dodge Challenger. And then, pag nagkaroon ako ng Dodge Challenger, sabi ko, dapat Liberty Walk kit. Luckily enough, nagkatotoo siya, although hindi lang akin, but I am very, very proud kasi pinagawa siya sa Autobot. Pinagkatiwalaan tayo ng client. I am an off-road enthusiast, but it doesn't stop there. I am a total car lover, a car guy. So kahit ano pa yan, gusto natin. Anyway, sabi ko sa owner, you wanna go with forge? Do you wanna go with special order wheel? So this is a special order wheel, a full forge, sarili natin design. Come closer. It is a special wheel with the initials of the owner. This is, by the way, a lady-owned muscle car. And then the center cup is, hindi po yan sticker, it is original and custom-made Autobot full forge wheels. This is broken size, 20s, with, of course, Brembo big brake kit sa loob. And then, a Michelin tires. Michelin 275/40/20 na Pilot Sport 4S. And we did upgrade the exhaust to MBRP. All the decals comes with the kit. This Liberty Walk right here, the LB Performance right here, especially this one, which is very, very true. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Nakausap ko yung may-ari nito, yung may-ari ng Liberty Walk mismo during Tokyo Auto Salon, Japan. Sabi ko, where do you get that? Alam mo naman, the Japanese, importante talaga sila yan, sa kanila yung peace. Although, importante naman yun sa lahat ng tao, but sometimes we tend to neglect it na parang binabaliwala natin. But really, imagine all the people living life in peace. Saya-saya siguro ng mundo. So, comes here again at the back. Dito naman sa likod, this is where the tank sits for our air suspension. Tapos pinaglagyan ko lang din ng custom, the Autobot plate here. So, malinis lang, nakain ng konting space, but still, you can still fully utilize the extra space of this Dodge Challenger. Then, at ang additional lang ng pinagawa ko nito na decal is this one. I added the rising stand sticker here sa roof para mas mabuhay lang kasi medyo naiwan yung top. So, there you have it, guys. This Dodge Challenger. And one more thing pala, binitbit ko pa to from America. We upgraded the steering wheel. It's a carbon fiber steering wheel. May problema lang ako dito ngayon. May umiilaw. Yung gasolina, kailangan ko na ipagas. But anything else, wala pong problema yung build natin. No check engines, no anything. Pakita ko lang, ito lang papagas ko. But anything, no check engines, no everything. There you have it, guys. Our Dodge Challenger build with a Liberty Walk kit. Thank you. And I hope to see you soon here at our HQ. Goodbye.